Hi everyone! こんにちは. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we will make veggie soup. I hope you already watched veggie dashi recipe video. And this soup is really simple. You can put any veggies. I usually make veggie mix by myself. It usually has the potato, onion, and broccoli, and carrot. So I will use my original veggie mix to make this veggie soup. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as our helpers. During this video, I introduce useful cooking ideas and tips. So please watch in detail until the end. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. The veggie soup is ready, so let's try tasting. いただきます. So I can see various vegetables. It has so many flavors in the soup, and it warmed my body quickly. I used only salt and pepper, but it has so much flavor from veggies, and of course veggie dashi. I usually cut my veggie mix into cube sizes. So every veggie is the same size, so it's easy to eat. ごちそうさまでした. Okay, here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: if you feel you like the flavor, you can add a regular vegetable consommé or arrange it with a drizzle of olive oil. And tip: this soup is very easy to make if you prepare a homemade veggie mix in advance. So I recommend to cut the potato, carrot, and onion, at least these three ingredients, in advance. You can use this homemade veggie mix for baby food or toddler food, or like making Japanese curry rice, anything. So please try it out. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was today's veggie soup recipe? I hope this recipe will help you to make daily meals. And if you want to know more about Japanese food and culture, please join my mailing list. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. That's it. I usually send 1 or 2 times a month. I don't bother you a lot, so please feel free to join. And special thanks to my furry helpers, Mario and Luigi. Thank you, Mario and Luigi-chan. If you want to see more about them and about my family lifestyle, please check my second channel. It's YUCa's Diary. YUCa's Diary. I introduce my daily cooking from here, or grocery shoppings, or family outing, what I bought for myself and for my family. So please come to my second channel and subscribe. And for you who watch my video for the first time, Thank you so much for coming. I introduce Japanese recipes, including baby meal and toddler food and desserts. And if you have recipe requests, please also comment down below. We will see you next time. Bye bye!